Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to continue cleaning on your Hutt DDC5 using remote. So first what we need to do is power on the machine right here, hold it for 3 seconds. Now as you guys can see, I'm not connected to the power right now because it will be too loud when I start it, so you guys won't be able to hear me. So that's why I cannot do that. Now we have the little remote right here, and what we need to do is start. So click and hold for about 1 to 2 seconds. Now we need to pause it, so hold it for about half second, simply click it like a longer click. Now if you want to continue, then do the same, simply click it for about half second and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.